Shout out my boy Luke for this really super unique, creative, tasteful, tons of flavor, seasoning house beat, okay?
Just tell me what you want from me. Yeah. There's no in between. Oh yeah. And you can promise me everything. I got you locked up in my mind. You won't ever leave.
I basically just threw my main vocal chain on some random vocals, and I used one plugin, which we'll get into, to turn these into house vocals. Like, this will work on pretty much any chain, I assume, but if you want to know how to do my chain, I'm going to put a link in the top right to a video where I explain my entire vocal chain. But yeah, here's my vocal chain on the left side. All I did was add this one plugin called Vocal Bender. It's from Waves. Link will be in the description. If you already have a good vocal chain, then you can just throw this in there. And I turned the Formant shift down 4 semitones. You can adjust this. It's going to sound a little bit different depending on each song. This works really well for hyperpop vocals as well, because a lot of people like to do Formant shifting in that style. But Formant shifting your vocals down rather than just pitching them down is so much better. It actually gives you that sort of sound instead of pitch. It just kind of makes it sound really dark and deep and kind of cringe. So Formant shift is exactly what you want. I'm gonna play it again, but this time without Vocal Bender on it. Keep in mind, I also went like a little bit in my recording, so it kind of adds that sound, but the Vocal Bender does most of the work. Anyway, here it is.
Just tell me what you want from me. Yeah. There's no in between. Oh yeah.
So, I mean, yeah, it doesn't sound bad. It just doesn't sound the best, you know what I mean? The Vocal Bender really chef's kisses it, you know what I'm saying? Chef makeout. But yeah, that's really it. Make sure you copy it through my link in the description. I would really appreciate it. Leave a like if you learned something. Anyways, guys, been freaking, oh, you know, alrighty, peace.